All right, what's up, tubers? So today I got a box from Flipsky. Ordered a couple of upgrades. First thing I got was the dual FSESC Plus. This has a integrated power button. It's got all your standard ports. It's a dual FSESC, so you got two sensor ports. There are two UART ports. This guy has some very beefy 8 AWG wires for your power. Overall, very nice FSESC. I already own one of these. The only reason I ordered a second one is because I broke the sensor ports, and so I don't get too much downtime on the board. I'm just going to swap the new one with the old one and fix the old one. In the box I also got a 2.4 gigahertz Bluetooth module for the version 6. This is super handy when you're out riding, if you want to like tweak some settings or troubleshoot something if you have problems, which did happen to me because my sensor wires weren't working too great. So I was able to switch to HFI using this thing and just get back home. Flipsky also sent me some spare JST connectors so I can fix the other board. Thank you, Flipsky. And for the motors, these are 63100s, 190 kV motors. Basically, it's just a small upgrade. Since I was already getting a new FSESC, I figured I'd get two more motors. It's not a big upgrade compared to the 6384s. They do offer a bit more torque, but it shouldn't be a big difference. Well, not that I'm thinking. So that's a 63100 190 kV motor. Very nice. Looks nice and clean. Beautiful. And I got two because it's a dual FSESC. In the motor box, you also get these 4mm bullet connectors and a keyway for the 8mm shaft. If we can compare these motors. So here I've got some 6384s. And it's a slight difference. Basically, these are about, that's 16 millimeters longer. For those of you who don't know, the 63 is the diameter. So if you can see that, that's 63 millimeters. And the 100 should be the length. So I'll probably be making a part 2 video for this, where I'll swap out the FSESC and switch the motors to these ones, and then whatever comes out of here is going on to another project. So that'll be that for that. We'll catch you later. GoPro, stop recording.